Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel for the second installment of our open source deep dive. You guessed it, today we're exploring even more exciting projects with top trending open source GitHub projects this week. Part 2. Get ready to discover tools that are revolutionizing AI agent development, research automation, local LLM experiences, and even how we share files. Let's not waste any time and jump right into these incredible open source innovations.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1: AgentOps, your all-in-one AI agent development and monitoring powerhouse. Today, we're taking a deep dive into AgentOps, a truly unique project that's set to revolutionize how you build, evaluate, and monitor your AI agents. What makes AgentOps stand out from the crowd is its focus as a comprehensive observability and DevTool platform specifically designed for the complexities of AI agents. Unlike generic monitoring tools, AgentOps provides deep insights into the inner workings of your agents, offering features like step-by-step execution graphs for replay analytics and debugging. This platform boasts native integrations with a vast ecosystem of leading LLMs and agent frameworks, including OpenAI Agents SDK, Crew AI, LangChain, AutoGen, Now AG2, and Camel AI. Imagine being able to seamlessly track the performance and costs of agents built with any of these popular tools, all within a single dashboard. AgentOps also tackles crucial aspects like LLM cost management, allowing you to keep a close eye on your spending with different foundation model providers. Furthermore, it empowers you to rigorously test your agents with over 1,000 built-in evals for comprehensive benchmarking. Security is also a top priority, with features to detect common prompt injection and data exfiltration exploits. Getting started is incredibly easy, often requiring just a few lines of code to add powerful observability to your agents, tools, and functions. AgentOps supports a wide range of LLM providers beyond OpenAI, including Cohere, Anthropic, and Mistral, as well as integrations with development frameworks like LangChain and LlamaIndex, making it a truly versatile solution. With its focus on bringing AI agents from prototype to production through easy observability, testing, and monitoring, AgentOps is an indispensable tool for anyone serious about building reliable and efficient AI agents. Project number 2: RD-Agent, your AI-powered automation lab for data-driven research. We're spotlighting RD-Agent, a truly unique open-source project built to automate the high-stakes world of industrial R&D, especially where data and models are the core focus. What makes RD-Agent so special is its fundamental concept. It lets AI drive data-driven AI. Imagine a system that can autonomously manage critical and valuable R&D processes, freeing up human researchers to concentrate on more strategic initiatives. RD-Agent achieves this through a clever framework centered around two key actions: R for proposing new ideas and D for implementing them. This isn't just about running predefined scripts. RD-Agent aims for the automatic evolution of R&D, potentially leading to significant industrial breakthroughs. Think of it as your versatile AI research assistant, capable of acting as an automatic quant factory, a data mining agent, a research co-pilot, and even a Kaggle agent. It's designed to read real-world materials like reports and papers, intelligently extract key formulas, features, and models, and then actually implement them in runnable code. Furthermore, RD-Agent is built with learning in mind, incorporating an evolving process that allows it to improve its performance based on feedback and acquired knowledge. This ability to propose new ideas autonomously based on its understanding sets it apart. Whether you need a co-pilot to automate repetitive tasks or a more autonomous agent to push the boundaries of your research, RD-Agent offers a novel approach by connecting the entire R&D cycle with real-world validation. Project number 3: LARS, the LLM and Advanced Referencing Solution. We're showcasing LARS, the LLM and Advanced Referencing Solution, and what truly sets this project apart is its laser focus on running powerful LLMs directly on your own device, completely locally. But it doesn't stop there. LARS takes your local LLM experience to a whole new level by enabling you to upload your own documents and have conversations where the AI's responses are grounded directly in your content. This means increased accuracy and a significant reduction in those frustrating AI hallucinations, thanks to a technique called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. What makes LARS uniquely powerful is its commitment to detailed citations for every RAG-centric response. Imagine getting not just an answer, but also the specific document names, page numbers, and even highlighted text and relevant images that support the information. LARS even presents a document reader right within the response window, allowing you to instantly verify the sources. With support for a vast number of file formats, from PDFs and Word documents to even images and HTML files, LARS aims to be the ultimate open-source, RAG-centric LLM application. And for the tech enthusiasts, it boasts a pure llama.cpp backend for efficient performance and even supports GPU acceleration for faster inferencing if you have an NVIDIA card. LARS gives you unprecedented control over your local LLMs and your document interactions, making it a truly unique and indispensable tool for research, learning, and knowledge management. Project number 4, MetaGPT, the multi-agent framework that runs an AI software company. We're diving into MetaGPT, and what makes this project utterly unique is its audacious goal: to be the first AI software company. Forget about individual AI agents tackling isolated tasks. MetaGPT is designed as a multi-agent framework where different GPT models are assigned specific roles, just like a real software company. Imagine having product managers, architects, project managers, and engineers, all powered by AI, working collaboratively on a complex project. What truly sets MetaGPT apart is its ability to take a single line of plain English requirement as input and then autonomously generate a whole suite of crucial software development outputs. We're talking about everything from user stories and competitive analysis to data structures, APIs, and even detailed documentation, essentially, the entire lifecycle of software creation. The core idea behind MetaGPT is encapsulated in its philosophy: code equals standard operating procedure, SOP, applied to a team. This means it meticulously orchestrates the AI agents using predefined SOPs, mirroring how a human-led company operates. Furthermore, MetaGPT has even launched MetaGPT-X, their natural language programming product, marking a significant step towards the future of coding. With its focus on simulating an entire software company using collaborating AI agents and its ability to translate simple requests into comprehensive development deliverables, MetaGPT is not just a tool, it's a bold vision for the future of software creation. Project number 5, Dagger, the universal runtime for composable workflows. Dagger, an open-source runtime for composable workflows that's uniquely positioned to transform how we build and run complex applications, especially in the realms of AI agents and CI/CD. What sets Dagger apart is its fundamental design as a platform for constructing workflows from containerized, composable operations. This means you can take code, package it into portable containers, and then seamlessly chain these operations together in any language, benefiting from repeatability, modularity, observability, and cross-platform support. Imagine the power of a universal type system that allows you to integrate components written in different languages without the usual integration complexities. Dagger takes it a step further with automatic artifact caching, a game-changer even for resource-intensive tasks like working with LLMs and API calls, dramatically improving speed and reducing costs. Furthermore, built-in observability provides deep insights into your workflows with tracing, logs, and metrics, making debugging and understanding complex processes straightforward. Being an open platform, Dagger ensures you're not locked into any specific infrastructure or technology stack, offering unparalleled flexibility for the future. Perhaps most notably, Dagger boasts native integration of any LLM, enabling these powerful models to automatically discover and utilize functions within your workflows, opening up exciting possibilities for building sophisticated AI agents with just a few lines of code. With its interactive terminal, you can even directly engage with your workflows in real time for rapid prototyping and debugging. Project number 6, MEM0, the intelligent memory layer supercharging your AI agents. Get ready to discover MEM0, a truly innovative open-source project that's designed to fundamentally enhance how AI assistants and agents interact with the world through the power of memory. What makes MEM0 so unique is its core focus, providing an intelligent memory layer specifically built for AI agents. Unlike traditional AI interactions that often start fresh with each new conversation, MEM0 empowers your AI to remember past interactions, user preferences, and individual needs, leading to truly personalized AI experiences. At the heart of MEM0's uniqueness lies its multi-level memory system, which includes user memory, session memory, and even memory specific to the AI agent itself, allowing for adaptive personalization across different contexts. This isn't just about storing information. MEM0 is designed to continuously learn and improve over time, making your AI interactions more relevant and tailored the more you use it. For developers, MEM0 stands out with its developer-friendly approach, offering a simple API for easy integration and ensuring cross-platform consistency. Whether you opt for the hassle-free managed MEM0 platform with automatic updates and enterprise-grade features, or prefer the complete control of the self-hosted open-source package, MEM0 offers flexibility to suit various needs. By enabling AI to retain context and recall relevant information through its intelligent memory capabilities, MEM0 unlocks the potential for seamless conversations, tailored recommendations, and truly adaptive AI systems, setting it apart as a crucial component for the next generation of intelligent agents. Project number 7: OpenHands, the open platform for AI software developers that acts like a human. Let's get ready to be amazed by OpenHands, a truly unique open-source project that's pushing the boundaries of AI in software development. What makes OpenHands stand out from the crowd is its vision of creating AI agents capable of performing virtually any task a human software developer can. Forget about limited, single-purpose AI tools. OpenHands empowers agents to autonomously modify code, execute commands, browse the internet for information, and even interact with APIs. Imagine an AI assistant that can not only write code but also debug it, research solutions online, yes, even copy snippets from Stack Overflow, and integrate with other services, all on its own. The core philosophy behind OpenHands is clear: code less, make more, aiming to streamline the development process and boost productivity. Getting started with OpenHands is remarkably easy, especially with its Docker-based quick start. It's designed to run on your local workstation, putting the power of an AI development team right at your fingertips. While it's built for single users for now, the project thrives on community contributions, with active discussions happening on Slack and Discord, and development tracked through GitHub issues. Being open source under the MIT license fosters collaboration and innovation. OpenHands is also flexible in its choice of AI models, with Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet recommended but offering compatibility with various other providers. Beyond the standard interface, it even supports headless operation, a command line interface, and integration with GitHub Actions for more advanced workflows. Project number 8: Agno, build lightning fast, model-agnostic multimodal AI agents. Agno, a revolutionary open-source library that's setting a new standard for building AI agents. What truly distinguishes Agno is its core design principle, delivering unparalleled speed and extreme simplicity in the creation of powerful, multimodal AI agents. Unlike other frameworks that can bog you down with complex structures, Agno lets you build sophisticated agents using the Python code you already know and love, focusing on clear and straightforward programming. But don't mistake simplicity for lack of power. Agno is incredibly lightning fast, boasting agent creation speeds that are around 10,000 times quicker than LangGraph, freeing you from unnecessary delays in development and deployment. This remarkable performance is coupled with an incredibly lightweight memory footprint, using approximately 50 times less memory than LangGraph, making it ideal for building highly scalable and cost-effective AI applications. Moreover, Agno champions true model agnosticism, empowering you to seamlessly integrate any language model from any provider, eliminating vendor lock-in and giving you ultimate flexibility. It also offers native, out-of-the-box support for multiple modalities, enabling your agents to effortlessly process and understand text, images, audio, and video. For advanced capabilities, Agno features agentic RAG as its default knowledge retrieval mechanism, ensuring intelligent and context-aware responses. And when tackling complex problems, you can easily assemble teams of specialized agents to distribute the workload and enhance efficiency. If you're looking for a cutting-edge library that prioritizes speed, simplicity, and limitless model and modality support for your AI agent endeavors, Agno is the game-changer you've been searching for. Project number 9: FilePizza, the browser-based file transfer that skips the middleman. Get ready to check out FilePizza, a truly unique web-based tool that's changing the game for sending files online. What makes FilePizza stand out from the crowd is its ingenious approach to file sharing. It completely eliminates the need to upload your files to a central server. Instead, FilePizza leverages the power of peer-to-peer technology, specifically WebRTC, to send your files directly from your browser to the recipient's browser. This direct connection is what makes FilePizza incredibly unique, as your data never touches an intermediary server, resulting in transfers that are not only remarkably fast but also inherently private and secure. Think of it, your file goes straight from you to them. This also means that as the uploader, you'll need to keep your browser window open until the transfer is complete, acting as the initial server for the downloaders. FilePizza even allows multiple people to download your file simultaneously using a simple shared URL. And for added peace of mind, all WebRTC communications are automatically encrypted, with the option to add an extra layer of security with password protection. Plus, it's not limited to single files. You can even upload multiple files at once, which will be conveniently delivered as a zip archive to the receiver. This serverless, peer-to-peer method sets FilePizza apart, offering a streamlined, secure, and efficient way to share files directly within your browser. Project number 10, Cursor-Free Trial Reset Tool, bypassing the limits. Get ready to learn about Cursor-Free Trial Reset Tool, a truly unique open-source project designed to tackle a frustrating issue for users of the free Cursor AI code editor. What makes this tool so distinctive is its direct aim to address the "you've reached your trial request limit" or "too many free trial accounts used on this machine" errors that can appear during Cursor's free subscription period. This project offers a set of solutions, with the most notable being its quick reset script, engineered to reset your machine's identification in a way that allows you to continue using the free trial. This isn't just a simple fix. The tool provides specific scripts tailored for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems, showcasing its cross-platform utility. For Mac users, it even incorporates a feature to modify the MAC address of your network interface, though with a clear warning about potential temporary network disruptions. Recognizing that Cursor might auto-update and potentially break the tool's functionality, it also provides comprehensive instructions on how to disable the auto-update feature on all supported platforms, using both automated scripts and manual methods. Beyond the quick reset, the project suggests other solutions like switching accounts or even a complete uninstall and reinstall for certain API key-related issues. Diving deeper, the tool works by modifying Cursor's internal configuration files, specifically the storage.json file, and generating new unique identifiers for parameters like telemetry.machineID and telemetry.macMachineID. Uniquely, for Windows users, it even delves into modifying the Windows registry's machine GUID, providing automatic backups and detailed manual recovery steps in case of any issues. And that brings us to the end of part 2 of our exploration into this week's top trending open-source GitHub projects. We hope you found these projects as fascinating as we did. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which of these projects you're most eager to try. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.